The Irish and French languages are very different. They have emerged from different branches of the Indo-European language family tree. But the Irish language has imported and kept a few French words over the years, and we're going to take a look at 5 of those now. The Irish for morning is matin. Matin. Matin va. Good morning. The French for morning is matin. Matin. So you can see the similarities there between the way they are pronounced. Moving on then to money. The Irish for money is arrogant. Arrogant. Tá arrogant a gut orm. I owe you money. Tá arrogant a gut orm. The French word for money is argent. Argent. So again, you can see in the way it's spelled, and you can hear a certain similarity there between the two words. Arrogant, argent. Moving on to the Irish word for boy is garçon. Garçon. And this originates from the French word for boy or son, which is garçon. Garçon. So very similar there, as you can hear and as you can see. Garçon og, a young boy. Garçon og. Moving on then to the Irish word for egg, which is uv. Uv. An rétóig me of dit. Will I prepare you an egg? An rétóig me of dit. The French word for egg is very similar. Iv. Iv. Next we have the Irish word for gold, which is ore. Ore. Tá ore ar na sráidne. The streets are paved with gold. Tá ore ar na sráidne. The French word for gold sounds and looks very similar. Er. So you can see the similarities there. They both look and sound very similar there. So there's nothing unusual about having these similarities between two languages that are geographically close together. That's how modern languages thrive and evolve over time. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments section some other words in Irish that you think may have originated in a different European language. Thanks for watching. Slán Tamó.